People can't resist a good Cyber Monday deal. That's a fact. Last year, Cyber Monday hit $7.9 billion in sales, becoming the biggest online shopping day in US history. And if you are wondering when people find the time to spend such amounts of money on a Monday, the answer is during working hours. A study by DeskTime found that on Cyber Monday in 2018, office workers spent 2.3 times more time work shopping, that is, shopping while on the clock, than on a regular workday. The study that analyzed 900 users in the USA concluded that nearly 1/3 had spent time shopping on Cyber Monday, spending on average 17 minutes on this activity. In comparison, on a usual workday, employees only spend on average 7.4 minutes browsing shopping websites. When it comes to holiday shopping and deal hunting, Amazon, the e-commerce giant that announced that Cyber Monday was its biggest shopping day ever, is the office workers' top choice. In fact, DeskTime data shows that this year, people spent 2 times more time shopping on Amazon than the year before. Other websites most often chosen for holiday work shopping were eBay, Walmart, and Best Buy. Finally, the data also shows that holiday deals attracted even those who don't usually shop at work. On Cyber Monday, 38% more people were engaged in online shopping than on regular workdays. Lesson learned? When brands are persistently bombarding you with deals and promotions, it's hard to keep your wallet closed and eyes on the task at hand, even if you're at work. And while employees aren't exactly happy about their teams scanning deals while on the clock, they don't really object either. In a survey by Robert Half Technology, 76% of employers said that their company policies don't ban online shopping at work, despite being concerned about the security and loss of productivity. As Riley Dugan, a marketing professor at the University of Dayton, has said, holiday shopping is just a little break from the monotony of the day, and a little break from work never hurt anybody. Or did it? And in the spirit of giving yourself and your team a much-needed productivity boost, we're happy to let you know that this Black Friday and Cyber Monday, just as every year, DeskTime will be offering its biggest discount of the year. So make sure to go to the link in the description and sign up to get notified when the deal goes live. Trust us, you won't want to miss out. So this holiday season, give your company the gift of office productivity. If you like hearing about the latest research in office productivity and want to hear more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. We put out new videos every Thursday, so see you next week.